So what are recruiters looking for when they create the interview questions and review your responses? Well, the scoring methods can vary based on the type of interview and test, but here are some common examples. Behavioral interview questions. In a behavioral interview, candidates are asked to provide examples of past behaviors or experiences. Recruiters score responses based on how well the candidate's past experiences align with the job requirements and the desired competencies. Competency-Based Interviewing. This approach involves assessing candidates based on specific competencies or skills required for the job. Recruiters create a set of competency-based questions and score candidates' responses based on how candidates describe themselves and their skills and competencies relative to what's required in the role. This is often done using a structured interview rubric. This system assigns numerical or qualitative scores to different aspects of the interview, such as communication skills, problem-solving skills, time management, leadership potential, and other skills and competencies. Rating scales. Recruiters may use rating scales to assess various interview components, such as technical skills, soft skills, or cultural fit. These scales typically use a numerical system to quantify a candidate's performance, such as a scale of 1 to 5. The STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Interviewers ask candidates to describe specific situations they've encountered, the tasks they needed to complete, the actions they took, and the results achieved. Recruiters then score each part of the response based on the detail provided using the STAR method. Likert Scales. Likert scales are used to measure a candidate's response to certain questions on a scale of agreement or satisfaction. Recruiters can use these scales to assess a candidate's attitude, motivation, or cultural alignment. Panel or group scoring. In panel interviews, multiple interviewers score candidates independently and then discuss their assessments as a group to reach a consensus on the candidate's suitability for the position. Talent assessment tools. Some organizations use specialized talent assessment tools and tests to evaluate candidates based on specific skills, personality traits, or cognitive abilities. These tools often provide numerical scores or rankings. Cultural or personality fit assessments. Recruiters might also assign an overall fit score or rank to candidates based on their impressions and evaluations, taking into consideration all aspects of the interview. If code assessments, multiple choice tests, or other game-based assessments are used, there is less room for subjectivity or interpretation, and a numeric score is applied. With the more recent use of AI-based scoring, this also assists recruiters' manual scoring methods to provide a secondary, standardized method of scoring that can be referenced by the recruiter for further checks and balances. For more information on modern hiring practices and technology being used by hiring teams, visit us at videobiorecruiter.com.